In a world obsessed with instant gratification, it's no surprise that detox drinks have taken center stage. These beverages are marketed as the ultimate quick fix, promising to cleanse our bodies of toxins and impurities in just a few sips. They promise a quick cleanse, a reset button for our bodies after indulging a little too much. Whether it's after a weekend of heavy eating or a holiday season of indulgence, detox drinks claim to offer a fresh start. These beverages often come with bold claims. They vow to flush out toxins, boost energy, and leave us feeling lighter and healthier. The idea is appealing, a simple drink that can undo the effects of our dietary sins. Detox drinks typically boast a blend of ingredients often touted for their cleansing properties. These ingredients are carefully selected for their supposed ability to detoxify the body. These ingredients often include lemon, ginger, apple cider vinegar, and green tea. Each of these components is believed to contribute to the detoxification process in its own unique way. The vibrant colors and exotic combinations can be alluring. They tap into our desire for a simple solution to counteract the effects of overindulgence. The visual appeal of these drinks is a significant part of their charm. But amidst the marketing buzz and influencer endorsements, a crucial question arises. Do detox drinks truly live up to the hype? Are they as effective as they claim to be, or are we being sold a dream? To understand the truth about these beverages, we must first turn our attention to the body's remarkable natural detoxification system. Our bodies are equipped with organs like the liver and kidneys that work tirelessly to eliminate toxins. So, do we really need these drinks, or is our body already doing the job for us? Our bodies are incredibly efficient machines, equipped with their own sophisticated detoxification systems. The liver and kidneys are the primary organs responsible for filtering and eliminating waste products. These organs work tirelessly 24/7 to keep our systems running smoothly. The liver acts as the body's primary filtration system. It breaks down harmful substances, transforming them into less toxic forms that can be safely eliminated. The kidneys then step in, filtering waste products from the bloodstream and excreting them in urine. This natural detoxification process is a continuous, intricate dance that occurs within our bodies every moment of every day. It doesn't require any special drinks or supplements to function effectively. While the idea of a quick detox might sound appealing, the scientific evidence supporting the effectiveness of detox drinks is limited at best. These drinks often claim to cleanse your body of toxins, boost your energy levels, and even help with weight loss. But how much of this is actually true? Many of the claims made about these beverages are not backed by rigorous scientific research. In fact, most studies show that the body is already well equipped to handle detoxification on its own. Some proponents of detox drinks argue that they help to flush out toxins more effectively than the body's natural processes. They often highlight ingredients like activated charcoal, green tea, and various herbs as miracle workers. However, there is little evidence to support this claim. Most health experts agree that the body's liver and kidneys are highly efficient at removing waste products without any additional help. The liver and kidneys are highly efficient at removing waste products, and there's no scientific consensus that detox drinks enhance this process. These organs work around the clock to filter out harmful substances and maintain the body's internal balance. While some detox drinks may offer temporary benefits like improved digestion or increased hydration, these effects are often attributable to individual ingredients rather than the drink as a whole. For instance, the fiber in fruits and vegetables can aid digestion, and staying hydrated is always beneficial. For example, lemon water can aid digestion and ginger can soothe nausea, but these benefits are not unique to detox drinks. Instead of relying on marketed detox beverages, focusing on a balanced diet and staying hydrated is a more effective approach to maintaining good health. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular ingredients found in detox drinks. Lemon, a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune health. It's often touted for its ability to cleanse the liver and aid digestion. However, lemon water alone does not have magical detoxifying properties. It can be refreshing and hydrating, but it won't single-handedly rid your body of toxins. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, is another common ingredient. It's praised for its ability to soothe the stomach and reduce nausea. It can help alleviate nausea and bloating, but it won't flush out toxins. Incorporating ginger into your diet can support overall digestive health. Apple cider vinegar, some believe it aids in weight loss and blood sugar control, and it's often included in detox drinks for these reasons. But research findings are inconclusive. While it may have some health benefits, it's not a miracle solution for detoxification. Green tea contains antioxidants and may offer various health benefits, such as improved brain function and fat loss. However, these benefits are not directly related to detoxification. Drinking green tea can be part of a healthy lifestyle, but it won't detox your body on its own. While these ingredients can be part of a healthy diet, they should be consumed as part of a balanced and varied diet. It's important to remember that their presence in a detox drink doesn't automatically make the beverage a miracle cure. True detoxification is a complex process that involves the liver, kidneys, and other organs working together. True detoxification is about empowering your body's natural processes. Instead of relying on quick fixes, the most effective way to support your body's natural detoxification processes is to adopt sustainable, healthy habits. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for flushing out waste products. Water helps your kidneys function optimally. Fiber is your friend. A diet rich in fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports regular bowel movements, aiding in the elimination of waste. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain high levels of sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can burden your liver. By focusing on these fundamental pillars of health, you can provide your body with the tools it needs to detoxify efficiently on its own. Beyond the hype, sustainable strategies for overall health are what truly matter. True well-being extends far beyond trendy detox drinks. It's about cultivating a holistic approach to health that encompasses all aspects of your life. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep allows your body to rest and repair, supporting optimal detoxification processes. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your body's ability to function effectively, including detoxification. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise helps to boost circulation, improve digestion, and support overall health. By adopting these practices, you're not just cleansing your body, you're nurturing your overall well-being. The real magic potion is water, your body's best friend. In a world saturated with flashy beverages promising quick fixes, it's easy to overlook the simplest yet most powerful elixir of all: water. Water is essential for virtually every bodily function, including detoxification. It helps to flush out waste products, transport nutrients, and regulate body temperature. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. A holistic approach is about embracing balance for long-term well-being. Ultimately, the pursuit of optimal health is not about deprivation or quick fixes. It's about embracing a balanced lifestyle that supports your body's innate wisdom. Enjoy a variety of whole, unprocessed foods. Stay hydrated. Move your body regularly. Prioritize sleep and stress management. These are the true foundations of lasting well-being. Remember, your body is your most sacred temple. Treat it with respect, nourish it with wholesome foods, and allow it to do what it does best: thrive.